Hey hookers, I'm doing a video challenge with my husband. He's doing in his business. So today we're doing a crochet hack video. Now, if I waited for all conditions to be perfect, I'd probably never do any videos. So this isn't my perfect setup, but hang with me. So I'm gonna show you how to make a chain without it twisting when you're making like a coffee sleeve or a long chain that has to get slip stitched or connected together. This is a hack I learned early on and I'm glad I did. So we're gonna make our slip knot and put it on our hook like we normally would. We're going to start by chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you make like a coffee sleeve, for example, you're probably going to chain about 30. But for sake of video length, I'll probably just do like 15. So we have 5 chains on there. We're going to pull up a loop so we don't lose it. And we're going to take our hook and we're going to insert it into the chain from the back. In the first chain, the first one. So now my hook's in the first chain. I'm going to push that down the throat of my hook a little bit. I'm going to put my hook back through this loop and I'm going to cinch that back up. Now I have this little U hanging out here and this is going to stay on my hook. And I'm going to do the rest of my chains. So I have 5. Let's keep chaining. 6, 7, get in my way, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or however many chains you're going to do for your particular project. So now you have this little U. If you had a longer chain, it would stick out here, but it's not twisted at all. It's nice and flat. No issues. Now I'm going to slip stitch like you would, like, for example, if you're making a coffee sleeve, since we're using that example. We already have that first chain on our hook, so all we really have to do is pull our loop through. Ta-da! A chain that is not twisted. It's all completely connected, and then you could slide it off your hook or just start row 2, however, whatever you're going to do next. So that is my crochet life hack of the day. Making a chain that doesn't twist.